Has your OpenClaw already racked up thousands of dollars on API tokens? Stop paying for API costs for OpenClaw. I've spent hundreds of dollars, about 500 in total, over the last week of just setting up my OpenClaw. As you can see here, $81 on this one, 136 here, and I paid more on many other ones as well. I'm going to show you a free way that you can run your OpenClaw and not pay any API costs and still get phenomenal results. So many people don't know about OpenRouter. OpenRouter is one of the most amazing websites that I found and that I'm using now to power my OpenClaw to do everything that I want it to do. So I'm going to show you how it works here first off. So we go over here to models, you sign up, you do the thing, however you want to sign in. You get an account, you create an API key. If you're in the OpenClaw world and you're watching this video, you probably know how to get an API key. So you go over here to prompt pricing, and guys, this is where it gets really interesting. So you can come here and set the amount of money you want to spend for each model. Now, we have all kind of different ones here. We have the newest, the most popular, the newest, top weekly. We go to top weekly, mini max M.25. So, we have all the models here you can use. I run everything now through my OpenRouter because you can pay with crypto as well, which I like. And you come here and you tell it, I usually stay around this area for the ones that are dirt cheap or the ones that are free. So you come over here to free and it's going to give you all these models that are the top weekly. I've been really having fun with the Step 3.5 Flash. Super fast. It gets everything done that I need. I did have some issues with it when it came to writing website descriptions for my clothing business. So I did have to change models. I switched over to Quen there, which I still wasn't really that happy with. So I was playing with other models. And that's what's, great about this. Everyone says, oh, this is so slow when you use free models, but it's not. It's been so fast when I use this Step 3.5 and when I'm using Quen, it's been lightning fast and it's been doing everything that I pretty much need to get done when it comes to the reasoning and the logic. Now, I do recommend to go with Claude HiQ or go with Opus or Sonnet if you need a little bit better quality work or something that the output is not really giving you that great. Try going to HiQ first on Claude and switching the model in OpenClaw. That I've seen really good results, but I'm still testing all these different models, and you can just set your OpenClaw to run OpenRouter and then tell it, okay, we're going to use this as the default. I will say you probably want to have a backup Claude account or OpenAI just in case for some reason you can't get through to OpenRouter, and then you can default to one of the ones in the actual OpenClaw gateway, and then you could get back up and running if there is an issue with API. But that rarely happens. So going back into it, you could just see there's so many free models here. Google, Genma, I haven't played with that one. ByteDance, Seed Dream 4.5 makes incredible images, for all kind of different graphic stuff. Mistral is very good. And there's another one, I don't know if you guys are using, is Olama. Olama is amazing. So you can set your OpenClaw to use all these different models. You just have to tell it, okay, we want to use these ones. So I've been playing with Olama, I've been playing with the Step 3.5, and I've been playing with Quen to see, do I really need to pay this much money on OpenAI costs and all this stuff? And the answer is no, you don't need to, because the models that I'm using, the free models with OpenRouter, are amazing. Now, keep in mind, like I said, sometimes you might want to do more deeper research and things that require more intelligent models, and that's when you switch over to OpenAI or to Claude. And now I also want to go into this website. Many people don't know the Nvidia build.nvidia.com gives you an amazing selection of models. You can use Minimax M 2.5 for free. You just click it over here. You sign up for an account, click view code, API reference. It says right there. Hit the view code, and then you can go here and hit generate API, put in your phone number, and boom, you have a free 100% Nvidia API key. And I don't know why not more people are talking about this. This is another place to get free APIs that are running amazing. Kimi K2.5, I use this API as well for running different type of model, different type of tasks with this model. Very powerful. These are all, a lot of them are all China models, but they work amazing. Quen is from Alibaba. Amazing. I mean, yeah, don't sleep on these China models because they're coming. And yeah, there's just so many models here. Look, we can go to page 5 just for fun. Look at all these models, 100% free. So you don't have to pay anything. I mean, like I said, sometimes you want more intense tasks to be done and then you pay, but for your heartbeats, for just general tasks, for running YouTube summaries, for running scraping of a YouTube video, when you're trying to scrape, very general information. If you're scraping Google for leads from Google Places, if you're scraping Google Trends, I mean, any one of these models will potentially do it for you. And Kimi is an incredible model. I mean, Kimi, I made this website in Kimi in about 15 minutes. And if you don't know, I'm Mark Illy. This is my new AI channel. Hoping you guys like and subscribe. Blast me with your comments. I'll make sure that I return every one. I've been in digital marketing for 15 years. I've worked with all kind of brands from Maserati to Airbnb to Temu. And now I'm kind of switching into the whole AI automation and different solutions. So we can come in, we can set up your OpenClaw if you need business infrastructure, separate tasks that every employee might be doing that you need. Me and my company can take care of that for you. And if it's just setting up your OpenClaw so you have an autonomous agent that you can use whenever you want in your Telegram group, send me a message, check us out. Cognival.co, and we can help you out. Okay, see ya.